Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we have another hairstyle on my sister. This time we're doing a curly style. She had these cute little butterfly clips reminding me from, back in the day. I don't know how old you are, but back in my day, these butterfly clips were very popular. And she wanted a hairstyle where she could have the top of her hair braided and the back curly. So that's exactly what we did. I'm not going to talk too much. I always say that I end up talking too much. Anywho, I have a lot of tutorials on how I do curly hair. I will say this one thing though. It's this one gel that I used to use. I will put it on the screen. I might try it one more time with my hair. And if the results are not the same, then I'm going to let y'all know. Because I've always used this gel. It was fine. But then I used it on a couple of clients. And one client was like, it didn't last. And then I used it on myself. And I thought that it didn't last either. But I was like, maybe I just was trifling with it. Maybe I didn't use enough gel. Anywho, I'm using a different gel for this install. In the back, I'm doing a little bit of finger coils because she has straight pieces. Now, you should see her video first of her getting her hair trimmed, and I talked about how she had a mullet and how we didn't cut it all off. And you could really tell that it needed to be cut off when we did her hair curly. So eventually she cut these little straight pieces off because even though we didn't want her to, we didn't want to cut off all her mullet, at the end she was like, okay, they looking crazy, so she ended up cutting them off anyway. So yeah, anywho, I do the same technique when I am doing curly hair. I'm very product heavy, and the secret is to sit under a dryer or set the hair. I set the hair under a hooded dryer. It does take a little bit longer, but your hair will last a long time. I think she wore this for a week before she redid the back, and she like finger coiled the back portion, and I think she wore it curly for like 2 weeks straight. So yeah, I mean, my thing on it is curly hair is so easy and so convenient. So figure out how to do your hair curly and wear it sometimes. It's great to just wake up and literally shake and go, like literally. The trick though is you need a hooded dryer. You can use a diffuser, but for me personally, if you want it to last at least a week without retouching it, you need to sit under a hooded dryer. Anywho, I'm gonna try not to talk too much. Y'all go ahead and enjoy the video, and TTYL.